How to fix spacebar deleting text instead of moving it problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first step is to make sure the insert key is turned on or not turned on, sorry. After that, the next step is go to file, then go to options. After that, go to advanced and make sure this use the insert key to control overtype mode is checked and select use overtyped mode, and as you can see this on pressing space it deletes the letter instead of moving it. So go do the same step and then simply go to advanced and then simply undo this overtype mode, and now on pressing the space bar it shifts rather than removing the object or the word. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.